Bitcoin is showing signs of a bear market because we are retesting the 100-week moving average yet again, which is the same scenario that we saw during the 2022 bear market. But I have something in the charts that shows you there might be a sign of hope, and this is on the backdrop of BlackRock's latest move. BlackRock is doubling down with the second Bitcoin fund, which is no surprise because Bitcoin ETFs are now BlackRock's top revenue source, which is huge because they have over 1,400 ETFs. So let's talk about what this means. Now, BlackRock is the world's largest asset manager. They have over $12 trillion in assets, and they just launched the iShares Bitcoin Premium Income ETF, or a plan to offer income from Bitcoin exposure. Now, the way they generate income is going to be from selling call options on that exposure with the covered call approach. Now, a covered call is an options trading strategy where the trader would sell an option to buy the IBIT ETF while also owning the underlying security. But there's no such thing as free money, so the downside, the trade-off here is it effectively trades potential upside for income. Now, like I said, BlackRock loves their Bitcoin ETFs. The net inflows for their main IBIT ETF exceeded $52 billion in its first year, far outpacing all other ETFs launched in the last decade. It also generated roughly $250 million in annual fees by October 2025. But let's talk about the Bitcoin charts and how what we're looking at right now looks like the same thing as the 2022 bear market. During that bear market, we topped November 2021, fell for a significant amount of time, and then about 70 days later, started flirting with the 100-week moving average. And then about 175 days later, we would then lose that and then hit the 200-week moving average. So we hit the line, 100 days later, we lose the line. Let's fast forward to today. Now, we would top on October 6th, and not quite 75 days, but about 45 days later, then we would hit this 100-week moving average. And last time we hung out there about 100 days. Right now, we're at about 70 days. Now, if we were to lose the 100-week moving average, fall to the 200-week moving average, you were looking at a $68,000 Bitcoin.